Little dinosaur. Little dinosaur is lost and looking for her mama. Where could her mama be? Little dinosaur wakes from her nap. Where is my mama? She wonders. Just then, something with wings flies by. Little dinosaur chases after it. Mama, are you there? I hear you. Here I am. Oh no, little dinosaur is lost. Little dinosaur sees something big munching on leaves. My mama eat leaves. Are you my mama? The big dinosaur shrugs her shoulders. Sorry, I'm not your mama. Is she over there? Mama, are you there? I hear you. Here I come. Little dinosaur keeps walking. Little dinosaur sees something with a big tail. My mama has a long tail. Are you my mama? The dinosaur shakes her head. Sorry, I'm not your mama. Is she over there? Mama, are you there? I hear you. Here I come. Little dinosaur keeps walking. Little dinosaur follows this sound. She steps onto beach full of dinosaurs. There is someone with a long blue neck just like mine. And she has a long tail. Mama, here I come. Come meet my friends. Little dinosaur is so happy. Oh, I'm happy you are awake from your nap. This is sound like this sound is of different dinosaurs, and this is the sound of Apatosaurus.
Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom.
This is the sound of Stegosaurus. And this is Dinosaurus. And the last one is Apatosaurus.